I am Bindu Sabu. I will be your social science teacher in this academic year. The first lesson is two big states. In this lesson, we will learn firstly Kanauj and the famous ruler of Kanauj Harshavardhan, and secondly Vadape and the famous ruler of Vadape Pulikeshi too. Now we are going to learn about Kanauj. The city Kanauj is located in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It is famous for distilling of scents. So, it is also known as the perfume capital of India. It was the former capital of the ruler Harshavardhan. Let us learn about the famous king of Kanauj, Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan was born in 590 CE. He was the ruler of a large empire in North India from 606 to 647 CE. During 7th century, Kanauj was ruled by Harshavardhan, who died without an heir. The father of Harshavardhan was Prabhagarvardhan, who was the prominent king of Pushyabudhi dynasty. Harshavardhan was a younger brother of Rajavardhan and had a sister named Rajeshri. After the death of his father, Rajavardhan ascended the throne of Taneshwar. Presently, it is located in Haryana. Harsha's sister Rajeshri married to Grahavarman, who was the Maukari king of Kanauj. Grahavarman was defeated and killed by Devagupta, who was the king of Malwa. Malwa is located in the western central portion of India. After the death of her husband, Rajeshri was imprisoned by the king Devagupta. Harsha's brother Rajavardhan could not accept this affront on his family, so he marched against Devagupta and defeated him. However, Rajavardhan was killed by Shashank, who was the king of Gauda. At present, Gauda is in West Bengal. Under these circumstances, that is, after the death of Harsha's brother, Harshavardhan ascended the throne of Taneshwar at the age of 16. Immediately after ascending the throne, Harsha decided to free his imprisoned sister Rajeshri. In the meanwhile, she had escaped from the clutches of Devagupta and ran away into the Vindhya forest. He went in search for his sister, and with the help of the people living in the forest and a Buddhist hermit, Divagar Mitra, he stopped her from committing sati. Sati was social evil practices. That is, widow threw herself on to her husband's funeral pyre. Since Rajeshri's kingdom, Kanauj was without any king at that time. Harshavardhan became its ruler. Later, he defeated Devagupta, the king of Malwa, who killed Harsha's sister's husband Grahavarman. Then Harshavardhan decided to attack Shashank, the king of Gauda. He formed an alliance with the Kamrab, Bhaskar Varman. Kamrab is in Assam. With the help of large army, he defeated Shashank, the king of Gaud, and captured major part of his kingdom. He also conquered Malwa and Saurashtra. After 7 successive victorious years, Taneshwar emerged as a large kingdom in North India. Harshavardhan's administration. Harsha had divided his daily routine into 3 parts: for administrative purposes, public welfare, and religious activities. He personally supervised the administration of his state by traveling to different parts of his empire. He forgot even his meals in carrying out his administrative responsibilities. To help him in the administration, Harshavardhan had Commander-in-Chief of the army, Pradihara or Dwarpal, that is doorkeeper, Sandhi Vigrahaka or foreign minister, Rajdoot or ambassador, Parajya Mandri or ministry of state, Mahadanda Nayaka or chief justice, and Akshar Patalika or registrar. For public welfare, Harsha built many rest houses, wells, stepwells, lake, matas, and viharas. Matas is a Sanskrit word, means institute or colleges. Viharas is a Buddhist temple, and also prohibited animal slaughter, means was not allowed to kill the animals for food. Every year he organized a Buddhist religious meet, and every 5 years he would organize a huge religious congregation at Prayag. Prayag is in Uttar Pradesh. Congregation means a group of people assembled for religious worship. There he would donate generously till his entire treasury was emptied. Means at Prayag, where he made donations lavishly till he exhausted all his wealth, and would even give away the ornaments he would be wearing at that time. Banabhat, who was the great Sanskrit poet and writer in the court of Harshavardhan. His famous books Harshacharit and Kadambari. We come to know about many important aspects of King Harshavardhan's reign from Harshacharita, which was written by Banabhat. King Harshavardhan himself was a writer and wrote famous 3 plays named Nagadant, Teknavali and Priyadarshika.